Welcome, scholars. Welcome to another lesson. So today we're going to talk about those lovely handouts that you got from me. We are about to start teaching our brain how to draw. So join me again and I'll do a step-by-step and you can follow my sample. Okay, let's have fun. Idea is to copy everything you see in this box in this box. And you're going to do that for every little picture, okay? You're going to look at the lines and the squiggles and you're going to copy them in the boxes next to it. So what I like to do is I look at the big shape first. So I think I'm just going to make my first line right here. Okay. And then I'm going to look at this big shape. So it looks like a V, and I'm going to put it right there. And it looks like there's a smile inside. So I'll put that. Then we're going to do a half circle. And it has like a little triangle. And then we've got 3 little lines. So you are just going to copy what you see. Now, it doesn't have to be perfect. We want to get as close as you can. Try the best you can and try to do a nice job. Now, let's talk about the one that's a little bit harder. It has a lot more shapes and they're a little bit harder to do. So you don't have to do this one if it's too hard for you. We'll save it for next time when we probably will come back to it. But if you want to try it now, go right ahead. What I recommend, what most people do, is they look at the big shape first. So I'm going to start with this line right here. Once I get one line, then I can go ahead and I'm going to see if there's little, I'm going to add this little curly Q there. And then once I do that, then I can start connecting all the lines that go with it. And you see, mine's a little different. It's okay, as long as we have the idea. Now I'm going to add those 3 dots. You can actually count all those little lines on the side and start adding them all the way down. So you see that it's going to look like the picture, but it's not going to be exact. And that's okay, because we are just trying to tell our brain, what I'm seeing here is what I'm going to put here. And that's the whole idea behind this drawing. We call this dexterity drawing. The word dexterity means we are trying to tell our brain what to do with our hands. Now I was using a pen, but I really would like you to use a pencil so that you can erase if you have to. So use a pencil, and then you can go over it. Once you've got your pencil marks, then you can go over it with a marker. Now you may be tempted to color this in, but I actually have a project that I'm going to have you do, but not yet. We're going to talk about this one next time. I just wanted you to pick it up. So hold on to it, put it in a folder or wherever you're keeping your work.